First, we wire the KTAG to the ECU as shown in the picture. I connected the gray cable to a needle and am holding it against the boot pin. Okay, let's launch the KTAG software. First, we choose our vehicle. Here we see instructions, for example, regarding wiring and the boot pin. We confirm everything. First, we need to create a full backup of the ECU and save it.
Drifting on a silent stream, caught within a waking dream, colors bleed.
Confirm the prompt asking whether we want to save the files separately with yes. This way, we have separated the flash and EEPROM. This ECU features a tuning protection mechanism called TPROT, which means that if we attempt to read from or write to it, the ECU will block the operation. Okay, how can we disable it? KTAG has this option, but it is very slow. I do it using a Hex Editor. Okay, let's open the .mpc file in a Hex Editor. Let's search for Hex 013C2B and change it to 010000. Okay, TPROT is off. Let's save it. Now we just need to flash the ECU. After that, we can simply flash via OBD. Okay, let's flash our TPROT file. We uncheck the box under Restore and select Micro TC1796. Here is our TPROT file. KTAG needs to calculate the checksum. Therefore, we must select the original flash file so that KTAG can use it for comparison. Okay, done. Let's test it with MPPS. Let's try to read the ECU in MPPS. Okay, it works. We can read and write via OBD using MPPS. TPROT is now disabled.
Echoes of a distant star. No matter who or where you are,
Let's test whether writing works.
the stillness mends each fading scar. Echo now, echo. Breathing in, breathing out.
I am selecting No for Calculate Checksum here, because this is an original file. If you have a modified file without a checksum, be sure to select Yes here.
shadows of a distant star.
Okay, I'll also show you how to disable the Immobilizer. We'll be using the IMMO OFF 17 program by Neuro. We select the EEPROM file that we read at the beginning using KTAG. Select EEPROM, IMMO OFF, and check some correction and save the file. Okay, let's write the IMMO OFF EEPROM file. Here, uncheck the Restore checkbox again and select EEPROM TC 1796.
Rest now.
Okay, done. Let's check with VCDS whether the Immobilizer is deactivated. Status 01 Immobilizer is deactivated.
Generate by AI.